Yeah, right.
Hello, we are the team for Yifeng Fruit Tea, Team 11R.
Man, click on the screen.
So quickly, we're going to go over our agenda. So first, we're going to do our member introduction to introduce ourselves. We're going to go over the product statement and the tech stack, as well as the accessibility features. Then we're going to go over project management, our usability reports, and then finally, we're going to demo. So our team members, I'm Naveed Hawk, the project manager. I was responsible with the cashier page, doing OAuth and the weather APIs, front end and back end development, and assisting everyone else with their pages, as well as sprint planning and management.
Hi, I'm Alex Mueller. I was a front-end developer for this project. My responsibilities were the menu board page, the customer page, and the restock report. Uh, I did the front-end development and I assisted Connor with the customer page.
Howdy, I'm Connor Hoffman, and I was a front-end developer for this project. My main role responsibilities consisted of working on the customer page and adding screen reader accessibility. I also shared in working on the general GUI and navigation for our pages and assisting other partners.
Howdy, I'm Jack Hoppy. I'm a back-end developer. My dedicated role responsibilities was mostly working on the manager page and then ensuring that it works with our back-end and front-end. I also worked on the access report and a lot of the stylizations for our front-end.
Howdy, I'm Stephen Wall, the backend developer, and my responsibilities are navigation buttons, sales report and community period items, edit drink feature, and Google Translate API. I also share a role with backend development with Jack.
So our problem statement. So businesses need a method to streamline their various processes, making it all easier to function. Running a business involves a lot of back-end processes. So automating all that makes it all easier to run. Things like updating inventory, tracking, restocks, as well as taking orders. Our POS system has a method where customers can take orders online, so they don't even have to take orders right in front of the retail store. So our tech stack, we use for the backend, Node.js for all our API endpoints and SQL or PSQL for our database. Front end, we use React.js and Bootstrap for CSS.
Okay, for our project, we had to do 3 personas because we had 5 team members. Our first persona was the required one, Maria. She, to account for her accessibility needs, we implemented the Google Translate API so that there's no language barrier for our website. Our second persona was Jacob. He is blind, so we had to implement a screen reader accessibility, meaning that we had to add detailed area labels and a tab and enter navigation. Our third and final persona is Trevor, who is autistic. He's easily distracted by animations or visual cues. So we had to add a lot of, again, area labels so he could easily navigate the website. Furthermore, we had no animations or distracting images.
Howdy. For this project, we use the Agile Project Development Strategy System. This involves a series of sprints where we meet for Scrum meetings to code and discuss project tasks and plans as we navigate through our goals and develop our minimum viable product. We actually used Jira software to record and track these tasks. Here is a picture just of our product backlog from one of our updates here a while back. And this also tracks our burn down charts. So in our product burn down chart, you can see at the very beginning, we added all of our tasks and recorded as we went, recorded the ones that we finished as it drops off there. And as we met probably somewhere around the November 21st, we actually discussed what needs we need to incorporate and we updated, added more tasks to our backlogs. Here's some sprint backlogs and our sprint burn down charts looking very similar. All right, usability reports.
So we received some feedback from our user studies and our expert panel. Some of the feedback was that our page was not easily navigable. So we made our layout more intuitive and added more buttons for people to navigate our web page more easily. We also got feedback that we had no translate function, so we implemented our Google Translate API. Our login page was non-functional, so we implemented the OAuth API so people could, so authorized people could log in to the cashier and manager side of the page. We also got feedback that our order page didn't show drinks that were out of stock, so we made sure that drinks that are out of stock are grayed out and unselectable, as well as toppings. We made drinks in the manager page, we made adding drinks more intuitive and made the whole manager side just more intuitive. And we also implemented our trends report, such as the restock report and the commonly paired items.
All right, let's do a quick demo of our website. Okay,
Awfully weird.
Alright.
Page down. Or is it already?
is it sure?
Oh, never mind. You can go.
Okay, so this is our hosted website. And as you can see, we have a menu board include all the drinks informations. And then you can see there is a Google Translate feature here. You can select a language and then you translate the entire page. Children, and there is a button to our front page. On the right side, we can log in as employee, give it an account. And then when logging as a manager, you can see the trends report, manager inventory, edit page, edit drink. For the trends report part, for example, if you click on restock report, it will show which item is at a low quantity. And then for the manager inventory page, you can filter all the items in our inventory and update it if need. For the edit drink page, you can select all the current drink, say its information, update or remove it if needed. All right, and now back to our login page. When logging as a cashier, you can create orders. You can give it based on the, and it shows which item is out of stock. We did this purposely to show the feature. To create order, you can, yeah, and after you add a drink, you can always edit it or remove it from the cart. All right, now go back to our front page, and to show our screen
Chrome
reader
box filter
feature,
Google Translate link.
we can use
Google
tab
Speller option closed language Google
to go through our
Welcome to
pages
click to navigate to employ start order visited
and
link.
use tab and enter to
Start order
order
visited
as a
link.
cashier. And you need,
Ye tea lattes
and
flavor
on the
keys
top,
button.
there is categorize. If you select
Flavor
it,
keys button.
categorize the
Button.
drink.
Show full stop. Lychee
And then you can
fruity.
still use
Enter
enter
dialog.
to make
Add AIO jelly as top check.
make a order.
Add agar crisp select 100%. Select 100 button. Add drink to cart.
After you add a drink to the cart on the right,
Review order. Click to
there's a
proceed to
review
checkout
order.
button. Review order. Click to
You can
proceed
still
to
add
checkout
it or
button.
remove it
Leave
based on your
click
need.
to empty cart table. Remove edit
And
totals. Enter name
yeah,
here
if you
for
enter
checkout
name
page. Pay now button.
and
Pay now.
pay now.
Order successfully sent.
it
Alert.
sends the order. All right, this is our demo. All right,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you.
Appreciate you.